Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a automated appointment reminder message to your prospects using WildResponse, our automation platform, and Google Sheets. So this is the article right here in our help documents to get the API URL, right, for us to trigger the WhatsApp message. Okay, so let me explain to you what you need to do first. So firstly, make sure you logged into WildResponse, logged into the automation platform, and make sure that you access this particular Google Sheet right here. The link is in the video description or the help document below, and you want to make a copy of this and save it to your own Google Drive. Okay, so once you've done that, make sure that you also install Pabbly Connect webhooks. Just Google for Pabbly Connect webhook add-on, and you will see a link in Google Workspace Marketplace. Just click on this and install the add-on. So once you have done that, you will be able to see under extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks, right? So there'll be a new extension right here. So firstly, let me explain how to use this Google Sheets. Firstly, make sure you make a copy again. Okay, so you just need to make a copy once and save it to your Google Drive. And then firstly, whatever is in the green columns are what you need to fill up. Okay, but whatever is in the white column, you don't have to fill that up at all. Okay, you just need to make sure you copy the formula into the subsequent rows itself. So firstly will be the instance ID. So you want to fill up the instance ID. It's very simple. Just go into profile, and you'll be able to see your instance ID and access token right here, right? So you just copy both of this, place it into this two columns here, instance ID, access token, put in the prospect's name, prospect's WhatsApp number with the country code but without the plus. Okay, make sure it has to have the country code itself. So for Singapore it will be 65. So if it's let's say India, it's 91, right? So if it's US, is 1, right? So you got to make sure that the number is the WhatsApp number, right, without the plus. Then if you want to, you can fill in the email address. Okay, this is only if you are using Google Calendar with and you want to create a Google Calendar event, but I will not cover this in this video. I will cover that in a different video itself, right? And then what happens if you put in this email address, it will create a Google Calendar event and invite your prospects to the event. Next is location, right? So you can put the location, you can fill it in with anything you want. It could be Starbucks, at a shopping mall, and then the next one would be if it's an online meeting, you can put the online meeting link in there, and then you can put in the date. Okay, so what you need to do is you can just copy all the this entire row from before. Okay, then put in the message, okay, days before and hours before appointment. So I don't want to fill in this yet, because once I fill this in, this is going to trigger the automation, right? So I'm not going to fill in this column yet. Okay, so this is how you fill in the Google Sheets, right? So this is how many days before the appointment do you want to send out a message, and this is how many hours before the appointment do you want to send out the message. Okay, so you can put like 2 days before, so it will be 20, right? If it's 3 days before, you can change it to 3 days. If you want to schedule, let's say 2 messages, right? One 2 days before, one 2 hours before, so you can do something like this as well. Okay, so next we're going to connect everything right here. So firstly, we're going to go into our automation platform. Okay, and go to automation right here, go to workflows. Okay, and we're going to set up a new workflow here, and you want to select webhook. Okay, select webhook. You will see webhook URL right here. Copy this, then click on capture webhook data. go into your Google Sheets, go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on initial setup, and paste the webhook URL in here, and make sure the trigger column is K, which is the last column of whatever you have filled in. Then click on test, send test. Okay, you will say test data sent successfully, right? So we'll jump in into our automation platform right here, and after a while you should see the data coming in, right? So all the data is in here. Next, you want to set a delay and set it to delay until, right? So then we are going to delay it to when the message is going to be sent out. So this is a scheduled so it should be number 11, scheduled reminder in UTC. Okay, so the reason why it's in UTC is because the automation platform only accepts the time in UTC plus 0 time zone. Okay, so once you have done that, just save and send test action. Okay, you will say success. Okay, and then you've got the results right here. Next, we are going to send the message. Okay, so make sure that so let me just delete this again. Okay, so next you got to select API. So click on API, and the action event is get, GET, right? Get. Okay, and then we're going to fill in the API endpoint URL right here, which is this one right here. But it looks a bit complicated, and I'm going to share with you how to make use of this. Okay, so this is the URL right here. So this one we are going to fill in with the prospect's phone number. And how do you fill this in? You just use the wavy bracket, we call it a brace, then type in webhook 1, okay, then dot, okay, and then you will fill in the column title right here, which is this one here. Copy this and paste it in here and close the brace. Okay, close the brace. Okay, next type equals text, right? So we'll ignore that. Next is message equals test. So let me just kind of explain this a little bit. So there are 5 parameters in this URL right here. So the first one will be the number. So the number will be this one here, which is the prospect's number, or whoever you want to send the text message to. And then the next is the message equals test message, right? So this is the message that you want to send out. So you will type the message that you want to send out to the person in here. Next is the instance ID and then your access token. So you just need to fill in this very simply. So we're going to craft the message, right? So we already put in the phone number of the prospect. Next is fill in the message. So you can type anything you want here. You can leave spacings and stuff like that. So just let's say hi. You have to put in the prospect's name. Okay, so it will be name. Okay, same as your Google Sheet right here, name. Okay, hi name. We are supposed to meet at location. Okay, so location. Okay, and on this date. Okay, so it says date right here. Okay, so if you want to, you can put in the online meeting URL right here. So you just put in online meeting link, and then you close the brace. So hi webhook, hi name, we are supposed to meet at this location. This is the meeting link on this date. Okay, see you soon. Okay, then next is your instance ID and access token, right? So you can just grab the instance ID under your profile and the access token right here. Copy this and paste it in, and you're done, right? So this is the entire URL to send the entire message. So I'm going to put this in right here. Okay, and then we are done. We can just save and send test action. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp web so you can see the message going out. So it says success, right? So the message has went out right now. Okay, so so you can see the message right here. Okay, hi, we're supposed to meet, see you soon. Okay, so this is how you craft the message. And because I copied the instance ID and SS token, right? If you want to, you can grab the data from data from Google Sheets as well. Just put in like this. Okay, so SS token close bracket like this, and it will work as well. So what happens is grabbing the instance ID and SS token from your Google Sheets right here. So let me just save and send the test action. Okay, so it will work as well. So the message has gone out, and you'll see another message in here, right? Because I'm sending the message to myself, so this is what I see. Okay, right? So pretty much that's how to set up the workflow right here, and you can refer to this help article on how to send the direct message via text. Okay, and we'll have a help article on this as well. So if you have any question, feel free to contact support. We are more than happy to help you to set up this automation right here. Thank you.